Hello, back with another simple machine lesson. This one is very similar to the first one. There's one minor difference. Let's see if you can figure it out. So I have added a small gear right in the middle. Now I want you to observe what happens. So in the last video, when it was just these two big gears and there wasn't the small gears, these two gears were moving in opposite directions. But in this one, you'll see because there's that little gear in the middle, they are both moving in the same exact direction. Now because these two are the same size, they're going to be moving at the same speed. And you can kind of see that as I turn this. This one is turning at the same speed. But I don't know if you can tell, but that little gear is moving pretty fast, a lot faster. And that's because it doesn't have as many ridges as these. So it's turning more times than these are. So what I want you guys to do at home is to take a walk around your house and see if you can find any machines that might use gears. I'll see you next time.